Okay, now here we have a pair of questions, question number 22 and 23. Let's look at the 22 first. In a simple Atwood machine, two unequal masses M1 and M2 are connected by a string going over a clamped light pulley. In a typical arrangement, M1 is 300 gram, M2 is 600 gram. The system is released from rest. Find the distance traveled by the first block in the first 2 seconds. Find the tension in the string. Find the force exerted by the clamp on the pulley. Very easy question. See, M1 will go up with acceleration. Wait, yeah, M1 is lighter, M2 is heavier. So M1 will go up, M2 will come down with acceleration A. On M1 we have tension T acting upwards. On M2 also we have tension T acting upwards. Here we have M1G downwards. Here we have M2G downwards. Correct? So if you write the equations for the two, for M1, T minus M1G is equal to M1 into A. So I can write down T minus M1G is equal to M1A. For M2, M2G minus T is equal to M2A. So M2G minus T is equal to M2A. Correct? Then add the two equations. When you add the two equations, T and minus T will cancel out. So you will get M2 minus M1 into G equal to M2 plus M1 multiplied by A. Okay. So we can find the value of A as M2 is given as 600 gram, or that is zero point 0.6 kilogram. M1 is 0.3 kilogram. So this will be equal to zero point 0.3 into G will be, let's say, 10 divided by 0.9. So your acceleration is 10 by 3 meter per second square. Alright, we found the acceleration. So they are asking the first question, find the distance traveled by the first block in the first 2 seconds. So this is your first block, which is acceleration A, 10 by 3 meter per second square. So it's very easy to find the distance traveled. So S equal to ut plus at square by 2, but u is 0. So we can simply write at square by 2. So A is 10 by 3 and t is 2 seconds and divided by 2. So we get S is equal to 20 by 3 meter. Okay. So that's your first part. Now they're asking find the tension in the string. So that's very easy. We found the acceleration A, put it in this equation. So we can find the tension equal to T will be, according to this equation, M1G plus M1A. So I can write down over here T will be equal to M1 times G plus A. M1 is 0.3 and G is 10. A is 10 by 3. So that will be 40 by 3. So this will be equal to 4 Newton. Okay, the tension in the string is 4 Newton. Alright, now they are asking find the force exerted by the clamp on the pulley. So the pulley is being pulled down by tension from both the sides. So net force on the pulley downwards is what? 2T. So the pulley will apply force on the clamp equal to how much? 2T. Since T is equal to 4 Newton, so the force on the clamp will be 2T, that is 8 Newton.